everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own little shamrock bouquet. So I have a bunch that I have already folded, but I also have some wire, and I have a couple of tools because I need to be able to cut. So I have a cutter, but with wire this thin, you could use just scissors, but you could also use pipe cleaners. Pipe cleaners would make great stems. You need to have hot glue, okay, hot glue gun. And you need to have some green paper. So I have just a few pieces of green paper, and I have a pair of scissors, and I'm going to show you how to fold these. You don't have to do anything exact because this is so easy to do. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you on a full sheet of paper so that you can see first how to do this. So you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to fold it in half again. Okay, so in half again. Then on the fold of the folds, okay, so the open side is here. I'm going to fold it one more time into a triangle, okay? And then you can either draw half a heart shape, and you don't want to go all the way to the corner so that you get so that your shamrocks, your four-leaf clover shamrocks, so that they stay together in the center and look more like a shamrock. Or you can just cut them. So literally, I'm just gonna go like this, and I'm going to cut that shape, okay? Then I'm gonna open it. Looks like a heart. And when I open it all the way up, I have this great shamrock shape. And then you can pinch it. You can have some that are going either direction, and we're gonna, some like that. So I'm gonna show you that you can do it right here. So here is a smaller piece of paper. Same thing. I'm gonna do it again, fold it in half again. Origami paper works great, but often origami paper is only one-sided. So then you want to do those so that they're kind of facing down so you don't see that. But that's totally up to you. You can use scrapbook paper, you can use construction paper, whatever you want. So again, I have it folded on the triangle. The folds are all together. And then I'm not going to go all the way to the bottom. And then I'm just going to cut half a heart shape like that. Okay, so when I open it up, I have a heart again. Okay, you can see the heart. And then as I open it up, I have an adorable little shamrock. Okay, so you can do it. It doesn't have to be, remember I said it doesn't have to be perfectly measured. It doesn't. So here's one that's kind of rectangly. It's not perfectly cut. None of that. I'm just gonna fold it. And because I'm cutting off so much of it, it doesn't matter that it's not perfect, because all the leaves of a shamrock are not exactly the same. So then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make this one a nice little one. Okay, so here we go again. I'm going to open it up. You can see, and then when I open open it all the way, I have an adorable little shamrock. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is, if you're using wire, then you're going to cut some wire. I'm going to cut a few so you can see how to do this. Or you can use pipe cleaners. Pipe cleaners work great for this. All right, so I'm just going to do some at different heights. Okay, so now what I need to do is make a little end. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to turn it so I get a little ring like this. Okay, so you can see, I don't know if you can see that. You can see the little ring. And then I'm going to tip it over like that so that I have something to glue to. And then it doesn't matter if it's curved or straight or bendy or whatever. It doesn't matter, because I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to go like that. Okay, same thing. I'm going to curl it like that, and you can get a little help. And you could curl this if this was a pipe cleaner, just the same. And here we go again, like that. All right, I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna squeeze that in. There we go. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hot glue, and I'm gonna put a little hot glue on the bottom, just like that. And then I'm going to put that on there. And I can do some that are like this, because shamrocks, real shamrocks, do that. They don't always go the opposite way. So there's one. Okay, let's do one of these. Okay, and I'm going to put that right on there. Just like that. There you go. There's another one. I'm gonna let it dry. And there we go. Okay, like that. Let's see. Let's do one of these. I'm gonna do this one so it goes upside down, like that. Just like that, so that we get different shapes. I like that. So that one is cool, like that. Okay, and then one more. Let's see. Let's do this little one. I really like the ones that the paper is on both sides, or the color is on both sides. It just, yeah, just really cool. All right, so now you can see, so here are 4 little shamrocks, and then you can put them into a vase. You could decorate a headband with shamrocks, or whatever you'd like. You can make little placeholders, or whatever you would like. So I hope you have fun making your own little shamrocks, and yeah, I love this. This is really fun. I'm gonna cut some more wire and go to town. Happy almost St. Patrick's Day, and happy spring.